This is another job. A client, really smart, do a bundle services. 4 areas of steam cleaning and sanitizing the carpets, the garage floor, that is epoxy for cleaning, and the pressure washing outside, the entry, the driveway, and the walkway. So doing the bundle services saves some money. He wants all the service done because he's planning to sell his property right here in Davenpprt, Florida. You can do the same, or you can recommend our business to a friend, to the neighbor, realtor, management company, or any kind of friends that is moving in, moving out, or wants to rent or sell the property. We are located in Davenpport, Florida, and we serve Champions Gate, Hen City, 407-572-4118.